Okay, my review on the cheap mini bike or whatever you want to call it. It's kind of like a tall pocket bike, I guess. But anyway, it was the cheapest thing I could find on Amazon last summer. I only paid $249, and just wanted to let you know what I think of it. It's it's definitely small, and I'm taller and heavier than what they recommend, but it's still rideable even for me. And I raise the handlebars up. You can see by using some longer bolts and stacking some washers. And I have the handlebars move forward a bit. That helped keep my knees away from the handlebars, which helped. And the foot peg set kind of far back compared to like an old-fashioned mini bike. That helps keep my knees away from the handlebars. So even though I'm taller than the recommended, I can still ride it. It's not fast or powerful, but I can still ride it. It's pretty narrow, as you can see, and very lightweight, I would say. Anybody that could ride a bike should be able to ride this just fine. It's very light, not hard to keep it up or anything, so like I say, a lot like a bike. Just wanted to finally put that review out there.